Grow, nourish, sustain together. Today, we the students of grade 5 are here to celebrate World Food Day, which is celebrated on 16 October every year. Now my friend Aviral Arora is here with a thought.
Thought of the day. Food. It's not about nutrients and calories. It's about sharing, it's about honesty, and it's about identity. Thank you. Now my friend Aditya Vishnu is here to tell you about the day. Thank you.
United Nations Organization Food and Agriculture Association, that is FAO, was established on 16 October 1945. World Food Day is celebrated every year with a new theme to create zero hunger, to make sustainable and healthy diet affordable and available to all. Now my friend Mayan is here to tell you about special food from various parts of India.
My name is Mayan Gupta of class 5D. Today I am going to tell about famous food of India. In North, the mouth-watering dish sarson ka saag and makki ki roti with butter and lassi is highly liked in Punjab. Idli, sambar and dosa are massively liked in South of India. These foods are specially cooked in Chennai. In East, litti chokha is very popular in Bihar. This is the traditional dish of Bihar. Shrikhand and dhokla are very popular in West of India. These foods are massively liked in Gujarat. Now my friends Yashashni and Shreyansh are here to give you a message.
Hey, where are you going with full plate of food?
I have eaten some food before coming to the party. Now I am going to throw this food into the dustbin as I do not want to eat anymore.
My mother has told me that there are some people who don't have single meal in a day.
Now I am feeling bad that I have wasted the food. Now I will not waste the food. I will share my food with the people who need it.
Let us take the oath. There will be no more people hungry. Let us act, let us protect. Let's try to feed them all who sleep without food.